Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor T-Rex, a professor in real life. But at the same time, I do videos like this one. So in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you how to fund your um, your MetaMask wallet. Ayan. So let's start. Okay, so these are the applications that you will need first. GCash. Ayan. From GCash, magpa-fund tayo sa ating Coins page. And so, punta tayo sa Send Money, Bank Transfer, tapos hanapin lang natin si Coins PH. And, ayun. Click lang natin si Coins PH. Tapos, enter natin yung amount. Let's say, 600. Tapos, lagay lang natin yung details. Gawin na lang natin siguro 1,000. Okay. So, send money. Confirm mo lang. Then, wait for it to be successfully processed. So, nandun na siya sa ating Coins PH. May notification na. So, let's go to our Coins PH. And you can use the links below for you to be able to register to these wallets. Ayan. So, login tayo sa Coins PH. And then, ayun, no, may 1,000 na. So, punta tayo kay crypto. And then, convert natin siya into from PHP to XRP. Okay. Ayan. So, convert all natin. Ayan. Slide to convert. Ayan. So, converted na. Go to XRP tab. Ayan. Meron na siyang 30 XRP. So, send natin siya to an XRP wallet. Ayan. Enter XRP wallet address. Punta tayo kay Binance. Then, click natin yung wallet sa baba. Then, deposit. Search natin XRP. Ayan. So, copy yung wallet address. Paste natin doon kay Coins PH. And also, copy the destination tag. Ayan. Then, paste lang. Then, send XRP. So, meron siyang 0.00045 XRP na fee. So, you have to take note of that as you type the amount of XRP that you will send to your Binance account. Yan. So, magiging 29 point... Magkano ba? Wait lang. Okay, so slide to send. And then, ayun, continue lang. So, kunin natin through SMS na mas mabilis. Ayun. So, just get the code and then type mo lang. So, ayun na, no? Successful yung ating transaction. So, let's just wait for it to be successfully deposited in our Binance wallet. So, it might take, no, mga 30 minutes pa nga minsan bago talaga siya pupapasok sa ating Binance account. So, wait lang tayo. So, yan guys, pumasok na nga siya. Meron ng naka-deposit na XRP. So, this time, punta tayo sa trades. Tapos, convert. Meron siyang problema, no, when it comes to conversion kasi meron siyang minimum amount of XRP. So, from XRP to BNB, yung minimum amount niya is 40 and we only have 30. So, what we're going to do, we will just go to trades, spot, And then, isell na lang natin yung ating XRP, no, in exchange of BNB. Ayan. So, hanapin natin yung pair, XRP, BNB, tapos sell lang natin. Tapos, okay na yan. Then, sell mo lang. Meron na tayong open order. So, wait lang tayo no na pumasok yung ating order. Ayun, no? At pumasok na nga. So, punta tayo sa ating wallets. Meron na tayong BNB, 986 yung kanyang worth. Ayan. So, may mga transaction fees pa kasi, no? Kaya hindi talaga siya 1,000. So, this time, i-withdraw natin siya. Withdraw natin yung ating BNB. Tapos, punta tayo sa ating MetaMask wallet. Ayun. Ang daming process. Tapos, of course, login lang tayo sa ating account as usual. And then, kunin natin yung ating BNB wallet address. So, receive. Ayan, copy natin yung address. Paste lang natin dito. Ayan. Tapos, yung amount, imamax na lang. Lahat-lahat na. Okay. Tapos, meron pa siyang ayan, transaction fee, no? So, confirm lang. And, yeah, for security purposes, kailangan pa ng codes. Ayan. So, kunin natin yung code. Tapos, punta rin tayo sa ating Gmail and then get the code. Yun. Tapos, login lang. Ay, login. Type lang natin yung code. Okay. So, ayan o. Let's just wait. On the process pa yung transfer natin ng fund to our MetaMask account. Okay, so wait lang tayo guys. Huwag lang tayo mainip. Ganun talaga. So ayun, let's check our MetaMask account, no? Okay, so, ayun, pumasok na yung ating dineposit na BNB. So, that's it guys. That's how simple it is to fund your MetaMask account with a BNB. And also, if you are having a trouble making your BNB or BSC wallet using the MetaMask, I have another tutorial video for that. So, that's it. I hope this video has helped you, and if you have the time, please click like and the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it a lot. So thank you so much, and expect that I will upload more videos in the coming days. So thank you and goodbye.